Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something coming in from Northwest Knives. New store I just found, but I found something cool. Let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Spyderco knife. This is with the REX121, CPM REX121, the super steel. This is super slicey, and yeah, it's supposed to be edge retention off the chart. Made in Taichung. These are the burnt orange scales. I did put a CM clip, so that's kind of cool. All right, let's get into this. So, what do we have here? All right, so we got a receipt in there. Let me take a look at that. Okay, all right, that's just a box. All right, so what do we have? We have a Spyderco. Let's take a look and see what we have here. Ooh, it looks like a pair of three, doesn't it? Big old dry desiccate pack. I wonder why there's such a strong desiccate pack in this one. Nice sticker. Let's see here. Dear Spyderco customer, this is Crucible CPM-15V blade steel sprint run distinctive version of the current model. Boasting almost 15% vanadium content. 15V is a remarkable material that offers the highest wear resistance of any cold work steel available today. Its unique alloy composition creates an exceptionally high volume of vanadium carbides. All right, so from what I gather, let's see here. The person who does the heat treat, knife maker heat treating protocol developed by acclaimed custom knife maker Sean Houston. Painstaking process takes full advantage of the extraordinary properties. Apparently, this heat treat process is supposed to make this, it's going to sound crazy, but it's supposed to make this even more edge retentive than this one. All right, so let's take a look. So this is FRN, which I'm never a big giant fan of, right? I'm never a big fan of the FRN scales, but you know, it's got to break in and stuff. So my goal with this one was, I really wanted G10, right? So I could put some scales on there. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out, you can already see, it's kind of got that look like Maximate. But there it is. Brian Houston is a little logo. So this is supposed to be super crazy edge retentive. Let's see. Oh, let's bring out the straw. I mean, just give it a try, right? Let's see. How well does it retain? I think I have a little piece of paper over here. Let's see if we can cut this. How well does it cut? Okay, well, it's definitely a slicer, that's for sure. Wow. Okay, so very cool. I mean, it's supposed to. I mean, it's incredibly heat retention. I don't know how well it drops and stuff like that, but this does seem to drop up pretty nicely, actually. It's supposed to retain its edge really well. It does feel really incredibly sharp. Let's see. Can I? Oh yeah, definitely shave with that. All right, so my goal was to kind of put it on a different knife. So I had an idea of a knife. Where did I put mine? Yep, here we go. I was going to put it in this one right here. I know that's dark and all that stuff, but I figured why not? Let's go for it. See if it works. I mean, sometimes, you know, I might have to, this might be a bad idea, and I might just have to go buy some, you know, an FRN skinny whatever sort of set of scales. Maybe I was thinking of going to American Blade Works or something like that, but I figured, why not? We'll try this right now. Give it a quick shot, see if we can get it in there. So, we're going to just jump right into it. You can see me fast forward because I've done this 100 times. If you haven't seen any of these videos, definitely go back and check them out. The typical ones you want to deal with. This one here, this one will have an F10. I mean T10. These will be T8s over here. So I'm going to mix them up here a little bit to take these apart. Okay. So let's go. I don't think I need to worry about the clip on this one. I do not. I can leave the clip on when I swap this out. So let's just do that. Not bad, not bad. So we now have a nice set of scales for my 15V, which I don't mind. Black insides, I think that's pretty cool looking. So, all right, so that's the one there. Let's put that to the side. Let's put this one together. I don't know. I think a black clip just would make this look so much nicer. What do y'all think? Put that off. Just we're going to immediately upgrade that clip. Why not? Ooh. That's just not going to stay, is it? Oh, don't fall. Come on. Don't be like that. I think I got the wrong screw there. This is my pivot. So let's do the pivot first because I'm mixing up my screws. Now there's no washer right there, which is always one of the things I'm not a big fan of the FRN scales because of that. But I mean, it's fine. It's just a bummer. I wish they would offer liners and sell those separately, even if they weren't under warranty kind of things. You know what I mean? I think that would be nice. It would be really nice. Oh, that's a little tight. That's a little tight there, buddy. Oh, this is going to be a really tight one here. So it is relatively centered. Not bad. So we'll keep that. You know, I could still get the AW, American Weapons Technology scales for that. I think that would be cool. I think I'd still like to do that. I think it's just, at this point, I really wanted a much nicer set of scales. And I feel like 15V really needed something special like this. And I am all cool about doing that. Even though it's got black liners and everything, I think it looks good with this, right? Makes this a really super kind of a steel sort of a knife. And the action's already pretty good in here. I like that. All right, so there we go. That was a fast one. All we did here was just a quick swap. Meant to do that, and yeah, there you go. Kind of fun. Sometimes you can just swap something out pretty quick and get a chance to try it out. So that worked out pretty good. That worked out pretty good. All right, so just to talk about the knife. So this is 15V blade steel, which has that special heat treat that, oh man, I cannot believe I'm not saying his name correctly here. Give me a second, guys. Sorry, I have to pull out the paperwork because I'm not super familiar with this, but it is a special one. Yeah, so it is Sean Houston. Sean Houston, he's a custom knife maker, and he did a process that retains even greater edge retention. Spyderco is willing to do it. I mean, they charge extra for it. Don't get me wrong. This is a special, not a limited run, but it's a special run, right? Because I've done these before, so it's a special run of steel. You don't. I mean, they're not being made all the time, but they are being made, and they've had these before, and they'll come out again. I think there's going to be a Yojimbo coming out probably, and I heard maybe rumors of a Shaman, which I think would be cool. But very cool. You can definitely see the material compared to like REX121, right? Definitely not rust resistant when you get to this point. That's not one of their top things. Like 110V is probably the most rust resistant, edge retentive type of steel out there, and I have some of that. That's really cool. But this is cool too. This is nice, and I like the action. It's already breaking in pretty nicely. This is going to be fun to carry. All right, cool. Nothing to tell you. I do not like the FRN scales. I'm not a fan of them. This one will take forever to break in, and it's a little stiffer because it has a DLC coating on there, which is just what it is, right? I can't loosen this up much more short of the blade just starting to rock all over the place. But that's why I want to get the American Weapons Technology scales. By the way, this old one that I replaced it with, this was my CPM crew wear, right? So, and this 15V is CPM-15V, part of Crucible Metal, which I know we all know. Niagara, is it Niagara Metals? I think it's part of Crucible. and they're the ones that make the knife, the steel for the knives. So hopefully they'll still be around. I hope the steel doesn't go away. I hope it's not limited. This could be even more limited run, you know, until somebody gets some of the other formulas. But very cool. Yeah, it's neat. It's neat. Definitely worth checking out. Really cool little knife. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who watches the content, who's part of the live streams, who subscribes, who comments, who's just part of the whole community. I appreciate you so very much. I really do. And if you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos, right? Also, a big shout out to all my channel members out there. You guys do two things for me. And so I do want to do two things for you. First, you encourage me when it's hard to do content. I'm not full-time at this. I do this part-time. So you're like my workout buddy. You keep me going. And I really, really appreciate you guys so very much. You have no idea. Second of all, you also allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. So I am so grateful to every one of you guys out there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are amazing. So I just want you to know how much I appreciate you, how amazing you guys are. So just know that. And as my small way to say thank you, as you're generous to me, I want to be generous back to you. I go out of my way to try to do a once a month exclusive members only giveaway. Usually I try to find something that's pretty nice, a really nice giveaway sort of thing. Something that you might enjoy, something that's special just for you guys. So just know that that's one of my things that I really want to do and go out of my way to do. So the other thing that I also try to do is I also try to as well, I give all brand new channel members, well, it's anybody who's a channel member currently right now and you've never received a sticker, you've never asked for a sticker, you've never gotten one. Email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. That goes for all new members. If you've been a member all along, you just never asked, or if you were a member and became a member again and you never got a chance to ask, all of you guys, just ask and I'd love to send you a channel sticker in a small way for me to say thank you. Also know that that once a month members giveaway, if you know all that sounds interesting, stickers, just supporting your channel, there is a link below down in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Top tiers, you get a little extra content, you get some extra stuff, right? You know, top tier, you get a special Uber Nerds Nerdy Knife sticker, right? But everyone is, you know, I don't care if you want to support the channel in whatever capacity you can, it's perfectly fine. Sorry about my dog back barking. But anyone who wants to support the channel in whatever capacity, I would appreciate it. I'm grateful. But please don't feel obligated if you don't want to, you know, just enjoy the content, be part of the community. I appreciate that so very much. But I do want to let you know that that's special for you members and just my way to say thank you. Again, thank you to everyone. If you haven't already, checked me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. That's again on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.